Are you thinking about sunscreen or foundation or moisturizers that contain SPF? You know, a lot of products claim they offer protection from the sun and that you don't have to use sunscreen. But a new report raises questions about how well they really work. For the Sheehan family, there's nothing like a day at the pool during the hot days of July, and they're always lathered up with sunscreen.
Oh, I make sure they're protected.
But now many brands of moisturizer and foundation say they contain SPF. Could that be all you need? If you're spending time out in the sun in a park or playground, you know, slathering yourself with suntan lotion, that can be work, and it's also a bit greasy. So a lot of women are instead using SPF containing makeup. Our partners at Consumer Reports magazine say makeup with SPF is never a substitute for sunscreen because you're probably not using enough to truly protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays.
You should be using 1 whole teaspoon of sunscreen for your face and neck. That's a lot. You're probably going to not be able to apply that much foundation without looking like you're wearing a makeup mask.
According to a new study by the journal PLOS ONE, participants who put on moisturizers with SPF were likely to miss areas around the eyes, a common site for skin cancer. It's also likely the SPF in your makeup is only 15, and most dermatologists recommend you use at least SPF 30. After CR's testing, 2 of the best performers for 2019 are Equate Walmart Ultra Protection Lotion, SPF 50, and Coppertone Ultra Guard Lotion, SPF 70. Now, Consumer Reports says you should reapply sunscreen every 2 hours if you're out in the sun.